Did they squeeze it and make a noise?
I saw a hawk. Where's the hawk go? Where's the hawk go?
Okay, Tiffany, pick up the one with the white front paw that's a boy and give it to Casey, and he can hold it for a few minutes. Because that one is Jenny's puppy.
Come here.
Nope.
This is my favorite. What's his name?
I don't know. I have to have my paper.
He's a gentleman.
Is that the one?
Yep.
Okay.
Casey, hold that puppy. Turn around and show me your puppy.
So Grandma, your puppy.
Look at him. Isn't he cute? Okay, put him down. Okay, find another one that has 2 white back paws. 2 white feet. Well, they're just a little bit of white on them. But they're on the back.
Right?
They're not the girl.
It must be that one right there.
Nope, that's the red.
It must be that one. Put this one down, Casey. Here, puppy.
Get that one over there, Keith. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
That one. Yeah, hold him up.
Come and get him.
That one belongs to Conrad. That one's Conrad's puppy. Oh, what a good job, Casey.
Oh, you're choking.
That's all right. You got him.
Okay. Okay.
There, now turn around so Grandma can see you.
Here, Grandma.
How cute. What a nice puppy. Oh, you're getting kisses. Okay, you can put him down now.
Put him down gently.
Okay, can you pick up the little girl, Casey?
See right there?
This one. This one, Keith. Over here.
Get this one, Casey.
Come here, cutie pie. This one. Pick her up. Pick her up. Can you get her? You're getting her. Yeah, that's it. Hello, come on. There you go. Oh. Yeah.
Doing a good job. Here, turn around. Let me see.
Belly.
Take her.
Good job, Casey. Aww. Here, turn around just a little bit. A little bit more. There, that's a good job.
Can you turn around and smell it, Grandma?
Thank you.
Turn a little more so she can see that puppy too.
She's kissing you.
Be careful, mister.
Okay, find the puppy who has no white feet.
This one.
That one is Kumori.
Kumori?
Yes.
Buy her soon or I'm going to buy her.
That's a him. That's a little boy puppy. Okay, and then the last one is Riki. And he's got the toy.
What one? That one?
The little red one.
This one? Pick up this one right here. Nope, this one.
His name is Riki.
Want me to help you get it? Here, there, buddy. Okay. Okay, show Grandma.
Good job. You went too close.
Oh,
Back up, honey.
Back up.
Yep, he's ready to go play.
Did you get a good picture of him?
Yeah. They like that toy.
They do. You done?
Okay.